apocalyptic snowstorm blasts Middle East as freak weather terrifies Arab countries. The Middle East has experienced a bizarre mix of snow blizzards, lightning strikes and deadly fires in just the last 24 hours, with more devastation expected to come. The UAE was one of a number of Middle Eastern countries to bear the brunt of a freak weather phenomenon yesterday. A shock snowstorm blasted through the Arab country, usually known for its blistering heat, scorched deserts and year-round sunshine. The blizzard covered parts of the country with up to 10 centimeters of snow, according to the local Met Office. Other Gulf states also experienced rare lightning strikes, sandstorms, rough seas and high winds of up to 90 kilometers an hour. Heavy winds saw a crane collapse in Dubai, which then set off an inferno, which injured one person. 3 vehicles were also destroyed in the sudden fire. Among other weather-related incidents, trees were uprooted and traffic was severely disrupted. Poor visibility across the area caused several accidents and trapped many residents indoors to avoid an impending dust storm. The freak weather led to the cancellation of a stage in the Tour of Dubai because the strong winds posed a danger to the cyclists. According to the UAE Met Office, temperatures plunged to -2 degrees across several mountainous regions. Police warned people against going outside, although the rarity of the occasion saw many flock to the snow-covered landscapes. Social media users tweeted their delight at the weather and snapped their own snowmen. However, others tweeted that the freak weather had caused them to reevaluate all of their beliefs. Some users described the weather as apocalyptic, while others remarked that the final hour was approaching.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.